All right, so jumping right into it, this is the door panel itself, is the entire thing. Some people in other countries call this a door card. I just recently heard of that last year, so I'm going to start explaining this as the door panel card. A couple of things that we have to get done is we have to get 4 screws out. So one is behind here, behind the handle right here. You could see the little hole. There's a little piece in here you have to pop out, like this airbag piece you have to pop out, but mine is already gone. It was missing, so that's one of the things we have to fix. But you see how nasty this door panel is as well. If we can't clean it up, then I might just get new ones. Who knows what's going on. So that's a T25. You're gonna, after you take the plastic out, you're gonna stick your T25 in there and just give it a couple of twists, and that bolt will come right out. Okay, now this piece you're gonna pop from the bottom here, and then just kind of move it out. You might be changing panel stuff because you want to fix your car or make it look prettier. You want to change the color as well. So there's one right here, that's a T25 as well right here. And then I see one right here. I don't remember if we have to take this one off or not, but I see one right here. Let's just get it out of the way, right? Then if you want to take this piece of the handle off itself, there's a very small one. I think it's a 10 Torx here and a 10 Torx here, and that will release this piece of the handle. If you want to change the color, wrap it, or do whatever, or buy new, get it a whole new piece. Or if you break this by accident, you can just buy the handle instead of the whole door panel. So we have 1, 2, 3, and then what we're going to do here is get this airbag clip off. So you got to really watch your leather pieces or suede or whatever you have on your interior. Mine's really yucky because we got this car so cheap for a project car that I don't really mind if I scratch it because it's already kind of trashy. But you want to be very, very easy. Get the right tools. This one's kind of jagged, so I wouldn't put this in somebody's nice car or our nice car, but I use this one for like project cars and stuff. So get it under here as far as it'll go, and then give it a pop, and then give it go on this side, same thing. And what I do is when I'm in there, I'll either pull down or pull up. I don't pull back. You know what I mean? If I'm in there this way, I don't pull back because sometimes these are weak and it'll snap this or it'll snap a piece off of this. What I do is when I get in there, if I have room, I'll pull up or pull down. And what that'll do is it'll loosen one piece of the side, and once that breaks free, instead of trying to break the whole piece free, it'll pop the other piece out. And what I'm talking about is these little pieces right here, these little clips. So this clip is in really good condition. Usually they break pretty easy when you take them out. So we're gonna go ahead and keep that. And then we're gonna get this last 25 right here. Okay. Now this piece, let me get a close-up for this piece. So on a lot of BMWs, this piece is kind of funny. In the Mustang, I used to just pull this out and take the light off or door panel off, whatever I wanted to do, unhook it. This piece is a little different, so you have to pop the top, and then you have to slide up. So the top will pop out this way toward me, but then what you want to do is you want to slide up from the bottom so you don't break it. Okay, it came up. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right here. So this little piece slides in and out, and this little piece just pops out. So you pop the top out and then lift up. And then this will be, I mean, if you don't want to take this out, you don't have to. It can dangle here, or you can just disconnect this little cord right here. There it is. So if you want to change your speaker, there's a little speaker in there. And let's see if we can just get the panel out now. So at this stage, you should be able to rip the panel back out from the bottom. So make sure you have the screws out. You have this dislodged as well. And then you're just gonna pull the panel from the bottom like that. And then try to finagle it. There's one. There's another one. There's one more over here. There it is. And we're just popping off of these pops right here. So we got all the things off. There's the door. Whoa, look what I just found. What the hell? That's the magnet from the speaker. The entire magnet blew off the speaker. I've never seen that in my life. I've never seen that in my life. Wow. So, okay, here's the airbag. The airbag looks exactly like the Audi airbag. That's weird. I mean, they're German, so maybe they get them from the same airbag company. Okay, so then what you want to do left is you're going to disconnect these little pieces down here. So that one just squeezed together and pulled out. This is a different kind. Okay, so this one you have to push with your finger down on the top, and then you're gonna slide the piece back over top of it. And what I mean is, I'll try to get a close up here. There's a little piece right here. You'll see it goes up and then clicks in. You have to push that down with your finger and push it over so that it'll slide itself right up. Now you're just connected over here. There was probably a speaker one as well wire, but I do not see a speaker wire. Oh, I guess it's this. So the speaker wire was already disconnected. And then we're gonna have to do the door handle. So the door handle is broke. So you're gonna pop it up, and it'll just pull right out, just like that. That's how you get your door card off. The door card is completely off now, and whatever you have to work on, you can work on. You can change the buttons here. You can do whatever you need to do now. Pop this out the back, change this piece. You can change your speaker here. Ours is broken. You can change whatever you need. And we are going to figure out why our door is not locking anymore. Alright guys, well, I hope this helped you out so you could safely get inside your Z4 to change any of these pieces that you need to change. And if you like this kind of stuff, if you like Z4s, we're coming out with a lot more Z4 videos. We got about 6 or 7 engine videos for this N52 coming out. And we're going to be doing some body work on this as well, and maybe a wrap. You comment down below. If you stayed this long, we appreciate it. Comment down below. Tell us what you want to see on this Z4 done, and I will try to get a video out there for you. All right, remember to like and subscribe. Juice that algorithm. We need to kick our algorithm up. I haven't been able to post too much. I had surgery recently, but now we're back. So have a great day, guys. And the door handle here is a little round plastic piece, but I bought this car from a junkyard or from a